Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation right here between year 2011 and year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the power outlet socket relays are located for the rear and front power outlets. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the power outlet socket relays, we'll demonstrate, guys, where they're located on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. Fun fact, you guys have 5 different fuse boxes. Luckily enough, we'll work in just one of them, and that fuse box is located inside your Honda Odyssey on the passenger side right here where the kick panel is under the glove box. You have one cover, and once you open that cover, you're guys going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Which relays we need to check for the power outlets, guys, okay, also known as power outlet sockets. You guys have 2 rows of relays, one here, one on this side. They could be a little bit hard to see, but if you pay attention right here, guys, if you come on this side, okay, right there, that relay is number 4. This is for the rear power outlet. On the front you may have 2 of them, and you have relay number 5 and 6. So all these 3 relays could be for cigarette lighters power outlet sockets. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.